Many items in our house are fabrics and can trap dust, becoming triggers for asthma and allergies. Keep fabric items clean. Wash or vacuum carpets, cushions, curtains, sheets, and pillows, even your kids' stuffed animals. Scented fabric softeners can be an asthma and allergy trigger. Try switching to unscented laundry products. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air Filter. A HEPA vacuum is more efficient in trapping allergens and preventing them from circulating through the air while you clean. Consider investing in one if your family has asthma and allergy concerns. Using hypoallergenic mattress and pillow covers on your bed can improve your symptoms while you sleep. The Healthy Neighborhoods program can provide you with a free mattress and pillow cover during our visit, and much more.